Hey guys, uh, yeah, so today I am doing a review of one of my Christmas presents. If you watched my video, I'm currently texting someone. My phone's a little but that was random. But if you saw my Kiva's vlog 2, I got cut off pretty early in part 1, earlier than I thought I did, so I might have missed a few presents, but I'm pretty sure I showed this one. If not, this is my alarm clock that my mom got me. It is a speaker system for iPod by MEMOREX. So it's pretty cool. If you can't figure out where this music's coming from, it's coming from the iPod dock on the alarm clock. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Hang on. Oh, good song. Anyway, it's a good song. Anyway, so yeah, here's the box. The alarm clock's back there, but yes, here's the box. Nothing too interesting. It's pretty big. It's pretty thick, and it's holding something cool. Okay, and it's upside down. Fuck. Damn it. What side was I on? There we go. Side. Yeah. There's this side, and it's all upside down. Yeah. Who cares? It's the box. So here's the actual alarm clock itself. Hope you guys can hear me. But so it's the alarm clock. It's pretty big. It's pretty cool too. It's loud. This whole entire top is a speaker, so you get a pretty good speaker. You got a pretty light blue LED lighting up the time and everything. And you got a wireless remote, which is pretty cool. It's really thin, light as hell. And you can adjust the dimmer. You can see the time. It's a dimmer button right there. See it. Dimmer, sleep, mute, play, pause. So yeah. Next song, volume, power. The sympathetic controls are on here. The addition of an alarm button. So quarter. Anyway, so yeah, it's pretty cool. iPod not included. Obviously. Okay, I'm gonna put some pause. Put my iPod. So you can take any Apple iPod. I'm pretty sure. Besides a Model 1 Shuffle. As long as it has one of these underneath, it'll most likely be able to plug right on top and play. It has a list of iPods on it that'll accept. There it is. A long list of iPods. It can take iPod Touch, iPod Classic, iPod Nano 3rd generation, iPod Nano 2nd generation, iPod Nano 5th generation, iPod Nano 1st generation, iPod Photo, okay, iPod 4th generation, and the iPod Mini. But my iPod Nano 6th gen will go on this, which is awesome. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, I got time, basic shit. It's 6:28 at the moment. There, you can see it like that. So it's 6:28. You got the snooze button up here. Press. Right, that's the auto dimmer. That's that. So it's pretty cool. So you can see the time. And yeah, it's a pretty cool alarm clock, and I'm glad I got it because I have an alarm. Whoops. Set for 5:45 every morning. That's why it has the alarm and buzzer up there. You got the volume and everything. That's a skull to my iPod. So just because it's an alarm clock, there's not much I can do. Play. Ah, fuck. Alright. Yeah, like Nickelback. Yep, good song. So yeah, that is the what's it called? MEMOREX speaker system for iPod alarm clock. So this is kind of a weird thing to do, a review on an alarm clock, but I am bored. So when I'm bored, I make reviews. That's just my thing. So yeah. Show you the deal. Remote does work. Good song. You can also change them up here. Sorry. 6:30. SpongeBob's on. Oh. Okay. Yeah, you get a look at what's on my iPod. So. Yeah. Sometimes the remote's a little unresponsive. Be warned of that. Ah, fuck. Dun, 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 dun. Sorry. Who is this? Everclear. Yeah. Okay, so yep, that's that. Nothing really else to say. It's alarm clock, so once again, there's not much you can do. It's just an alarm clock. I hate the song. It's far away. Sorry. The avenue. Sorry. Alright, we can end this song. Okay, watch the music video for this song. It's Hit That by The Offspring. It's really weird. Anyway, so that's really all I got to say about this. It's a really good deal. I'm sure it didn't cost that much. Probably around 20, because I'm not sure what my mom paid for it since it was a present. But something I definitely needed because I'm getting tired of my alarm on my phone. This is something I really needed, and it's pretty cool. And so as a person to an iHome, I had just a basic iHome. That was a present last year. Yeah. Put a pause on this. And bring it over to my iHome. It's got sounds over here. Do 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 do. Yeah. Shit. Yeah, I much rather prefer this than the iPod, the iHome, whatever. The basic iHome, since it has a straight on plug it, and then play it. Play it. Play it. Play it. Play it. There we go. So yeah. Anyway. Good deal. So that's basically it. I don't really feel like turning off the camera because I'm bored. But I'm going to have to because I'm probably boring you all. So thank you guys for watching. And I will see you guys in my next video. Not sure what it will be. But new vlogs coming. other stuff, all that goodness, and yeah. So, goodbye.